Yancey and a few other counties some money.
Hey, good morning. What's up, everybody? I'm Kara with Ozark Overland Adventures, and as you can see, we are off on another Women's Wheeling weekend. We are here in the Ozarks with GoXplorUSA. Danielle and I are leading a group of ladies for the first ever ladies only run, and I am super excited. It is going to be a very damp weekend. It started raining on us already this morning, and it's supposed to just rain all weekend, but the fall colors out here are beautiful, and I cannot wait to get out on the trails with these ladies. We've had people come all the way from Michigan, Florida, several different states, and they are awesome. We all pulled in last night, so we got here pretty late at camp, and today we are going to hit the trails. Headed out, and the fog looks so pretty. I hope that whenever we get up to White Rock Mountain that there's like a little hanging fog, and the fall colors this weekend, I think they're pretty close to peak, and I haven't seen them this bright, and the rain actually helps make them even better, so I can't wait. I am so pumped for this weekend. It is so rainy. Yesterday, Kara and I pre-ran this trail. It was very interesting. I think we're going to have so much fun this weekend. We have such an awesome group of women, and just really excited for the first ladies run. It's going to be really cool. So we have made it to White Rock Mountain. What did you think about the rock formations and stuff on the way here?
Oh, it was beautiful.
Isn't it pretty?
I love the rock formations. They look like they should like transform into rock monsters to fight the bad guys.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, I didn't even see. There's people. There's dogs and people. You would never know they were coming. So out there is some like beautiful fall trees. Like over there, I'm pretty sure there's an orange one. Not really.
Just one.
Just one. Just one orange tree. Just, you gotta take my word for it, YouTube.
Well, I got in post.
Yeah. Look at that view, guys. So beautiful. There's like no visibility.
Fort Smith and Van Buren.
It's not slick. You got traction. Put it in 4-low and go. That's more my pace right there. That's my kind of hiking.
Oh, so cool.
So unfortunately, White Rock Mountain was so thick with fog that I could not fly my drone. Super bummed about that because it would have been pretty epic. It would have just burned off a little bit of it. But now we are headed to the trailhead, and I am pumped because this is where it's going to get a little interesting.
passengers. Passenger up there. Go slow and control. Perfect. You're doing great. Now just straighten it out. Straighten it out. Yeah. There you go.
So like hard driving and see what happens. You didn't do it. You didn't follow your spotter's advice. Quit coming right at me. So how did everybody's first obstacle feel?
Yeah, baby!
So we just got off one little section of, little fun trail section. And so we came out of the woods and we saw this. It's the sun. This is so exciting. Like, I think tomorrow we're supposed to get over 2 inches of rain tomorrow on the trail. So this is really, really exciting. I'm happy.
So we are coming up onto a new trail that's a little bit more technical than some of the ladies have experienced. It's going to be some tight corners and some mud holes, kind of like a little playground area down in there. And then we're going to try to make our way out through a pretty tight and technical trail. So this should be fun. So it's things like one of the ladies just getting on this trail earlier this morning, she didn't know how and wasn't sure if her vehicle to put it in for a low, and just going on to the second trail she was able to put it in there just fine. And it's things like that that just really make this what it's all about for me. Just seeing women being able to learn new things about their vehicle and just to feel the confidence that they can do this too. None of the men I have ever ridden with have made it up that. There. Kristen just did. Keep the momentum, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Yep, just a little root kind of for you. Yep, and you're going down. There's your belly. You're good. And then dragger. Yep. Perfect. You may hit your toe. Nope, didn't even do it. You're good. You're fine. She's fertile.
Just go real slow. Let's see if it'll pick.
I probably should have had a little bit, you know, it's one of those things where you're like, yeah, if I would have maybe had a little bit more gas on it.
I think you would. You're just not tall enough, I think, and so that's nothing between tires and the lift. Oh, we don't want to get it muddy.
Oh, really?
That's what you call the winch yoga. Not her. She's not the winch, but sometimes. She's
You're gonna be able to pull you far unless everybody does stuff.
There we go.
There you go.
All right, stop. You're good, Carrie.
Don't tell Jim!
Stop right there.
Straighten out just a little bit. Go through so you can just ride it on off.
Right before it kind of like as a gatekeeper, but once you get in there, there's nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, you're good right there.
Kelly's Jeep is good.
Straighten it a little bit more dry right there. Go more passenger a little bit. Right there. Just go slow. That back end's coming down. Ooh, I do not like that at all. Go more driver. Oh, nope. Don't do that.
Do you know how off camber you are?
Yeah, but I'm hanging in there.
I'm just gonna keep a little attention on you, and I'll roll forward with you. I'll roll forward with you. Okay?
She's about to climb it.
Yep.
You're climbing it.
There you
Perfect.
You could probably come off that rock.
I think they're gonna disconnect.
Yeah, we're gonna do it. Gary, you didn't want to go this way? So this trail is taking us a little bit longer than what we thought.
What do you think, Paula? You need me?
But the ladies are doing amazing. They're doing so good.
Look, you can't see me. How are we gonna do this? I want to talk. You still can't see me. I don't know what to do. You can't really see me, but at least I don't think you can. You can't see me, but Carrie's in the JK with Discover 4x4 Adventures. The cable on her transfer case came undone. I think the little bushing clip, plastic piece, whatever it is, broke. So she's in 4 low. And so we are just taking our sweet time back from the trail to camp. And it's really beautiful. I bet you can see this. Well, there's some side by sides coming, but
So we have made it back to camp finally. Carrie had a little bit of issues, but that's fine. But we have, check this out, guys. We have, let's see if I can get in here. There's some shrimp and lobster, zucchini, like, and there's even, is there any bisque left? I know everybody's been getting all their seconds in there.
Here. Or here, let's save all of it, but I'm not going to eat it.
Yeah. So Carrie, what issues did you have?
So the linkage to my transfer case broke.
Okay, so you're in 4 low basically the whole
Yeah,
time.
I'm stuck in 4 low until we look at it and see if we can manually do it.
Yeah, gonna go work on it now.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna relax for 5 minutes. And
Yeah, and then hit it.
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. How's it going?
Good. So the linkage just came off, basically the nipple that's on the transfer case. So
Okay.
I put it back on. I don't know if I don't know if that's broke. But at least we know where it's at, and
Yeah.
then if we need to reconnect it tomorrow, we can do that.
Good morning. So it is a very rainy day already, but we actually woke up early enough that the rain hadn't hit us, so we started putting up our tents, clearing down as much as we can. We slept really, really good. Got a little chilly last night. We started off with a fan and then it got chilly, but it's gonna be a great day. We're starting off. We're gonna head to Ozark just to get some gas, because there's some ladies here that are pretty low, so we want to make sure that everybody has enough gas at least to get us through the technical portion. That's earlier this morning, and then we will go to Ozark for lunch, and then we'll hit some more trails. I am gonna go get some breakfast because I hear that they have some French toast. So we have bacon, French toast, berries, sugar-free syrup. Nobody wants that.
But they're so accommodating.
Yeah, so accommodating.
Yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and grab two. She said there's more coming, right?
Yeah.
She's gonna not come back.
It's a great little spot here, this campground. It's not too bad actually, and it was really quiet back here in a pinch. This is a great spot. I love that it's right on the river. And this is the portion of the video where I discuss things I don't like in the woods, things you shouldn't do in the woods. And it's this right here. Look at that. Look at all those carvings on this tree. Don't do that, people. Don't do that. RP and CP. I bet they're already broken up. Whatever that is up there. No. Just don't. Okay? Let's leave it better than you found it. Which means that we don't have to put our names on everything. It's okay. It's not kindergarten where you have to put your names on your underwear. We don't do that here on trees. Okay, bye. So we are getting gas real quick at Ozark Cafe. I'm just gonna fill up before we hit the trails. We love this place so much. Cannot wait to come back here for lunch. And there we are, right there. I love all of the stickers. We have several people that have friend stickers here. There's forwarding the Ozarks, GoXplorUSA, and I just love everybody's stickers.
So I think it's going to be a great day. I anticipate there being some winching. I might be the one that's winching. So there will be some bypasses through the mud holes. I will be taking those bypasses. All the bigger rigs, lifted rigs, can make it through.
That'd be me.
Might be slippery and sloppy, but we did it 2 weeks ago, and I made it through, actually, with a little bit of rock throwing into one of the holes. I'm just not going to do it again because I don't want to get stuck at all. I want to be able to get ahead of you guys. I want everybody to have a fun, safe time on the trip today, and I hope there's lots of learning going on and lots of fun.
Yeah, they're so excited. If we have to pull cable, they want to learn, and what better place to be with all the other women who have done things before.
And wear pink sparkly leather print boots for nothing.
Super excited.
I think because it's so wet, some of the hill climbs we're not gonna, hopefully we won't have rock spitting out, but if they're sliding we'll get rock spitting out, and you don't want a cracked windshield either.
Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah, y'all are doing amazing.
You guys, the directions are wonderful.
Awesome, awesome. That's what we like to hear.
Imagine doing this blind.
Oh no, yeah, for sure.
I was in Helena. And I said, well, I kind of split off too. So I'm stacking rocks.
Here.
Which will be helpful for our ladies coming through.
Yay!
Yeah. You have the cargo and I'll just walk up.
Yay! Now, pull it in.
Go ahead. She's maybe turtled.
just trying to pace it through this trail so that way we can get to Ozark Cafe. We went there this morning for gas and went ahead and ordered and paid for our lunch. So that way we won't have to stand in line. We can just give them our tickets. So I'm super excited. Starving. How is it, ladies? Good. Yummy. So we had an amazing lunch at Ozark Cafe, at the Angry Hornet, and a piece of pie, and I did not finish, only ate half. I feel really guilty about that. And now the struggle is real because it's raining and it's warm and cozy in my vehicle, and I know I'm gonna have to get out and spot. And I'm full, and so I just want to take a nap now. I'm gonna go.
The mountains look really pretty here with the colors and the fog up there.
I want to go sleep now. Driver. There's places to go.
I can't go anymore, so
So we have made it back. And the guys have dinner for us.
Oh my goodness. Look at this shrub. Oh,
Look.
you busy?
A little bit.
Yeah? I want to eat.
You want to eat?
Yeah, I drove pants and it's so great. I want to eat.
We don't drive Jeep. We're Toyota people.
I told you.
You got shrimp cocktail?
Uh-huh.
Are you doing a happy food dance again?
Yeah, I just did. Did you catch it?
Yeah, I did.
I'm getting a little bit. I like eating.
What are you making over here?
This is a cobbler, apple and peach, and then we have a lava dump cake also.
What?
Yeah, so it's gonna be dessert.
Oh my
amazing.
gosh. What do y'all think?
Good.
Very, very yummy. So we are sponsored with Gaia GPS, and I wanted to give all of the women drivers a 1-year premium subscription. It's like a $40 value, so yeah. So, there you go, Chris.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There you go. Thank you. You're welcome. And if you already have Gaia, you can just use it to upgrade next year's renewal. You can just pause yours and start it. Dun, 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 dun. That looks good. What is that? The lava cake?
That's a, what is that?
Yeah, that's the lava cake. I smell chocolate. That's the apple cobbler.
Apple and peach.
Oh, both. We're just really, we're at a very high place here.
It's so high.
Is it gonna touch?
Please. Please.
Is it gonna?
That's enough, right? No, I think that's perfect. Boom! So happy right now. I'm so tired.
We're gonna like die coming out of that.
That's true.
That's
Totally
like
true. We're
8
gonna
feet.
die.
That's like 8 feet tall.
Right now, and it's very straight.
You're gonna think you're at the last rung, and then there's like 10 more to go.
Nothing to see here. It's like a treehouse.
Yeah, swing your legs back and forth like a little kid up there.
Wait, don't get too close to the edge. Good morning. It is very rainy, and we are gonna have to put up in the rain. So it's not gonna be fun. Not looking forward to it, and it's cold. It's so cold. I think the temperature's dropped like 30 degrees from when we started this on Thursday, and so now it's like in the 50s. It's great sleeping and camping weather, but we gotta roll. Let's get this day started. I know, it's gonna be great. I'm gonna hold the umbrella over you and help. Okay.
Remember when we got that strap? Here it is. Yeah.
Good morning! Isn't it a beautiful day? Yep. Did you see like the rainbow and the unicorns and all the things?
No.
Yeah.
What did you take this morning?
A happy pill so I can embrace it.
Oh.
Yeah. You're a better cook than Danielle, and I love you more than her.
Ooh.
Do you want to join the Rebel Rally with me? Will you cook for me there? Yep, I am excited for the many more events with Go Explore with the ladies. I cannot wait. That's if Brad will have me back, of course, as the leader. Yeah, perfect. And you're cool. Look at that. That's insane. My puddle So stick left and then go that way? That's what I'm thinking. Go this way right here and then cut across.
Up the door and then the pressure
Yep.
of that water rushing.
Yep.
Especially if it floats at any,
Yeah.
it'll just go.
Diane's got it.
Oh yeah, Diane will definitely float.
I might.
I'll float.
Yeah, you would
might.
float.
I mean, it was
Yeah.
here and it was getting deeper.
Yeah.
And harder.
And, yeah.
Yeah, and there's
the
trees
reason-
coming down.
Yeah, if
And
the
I don't
mom
want a
comes,
tree come down to hit any rig.
Yeah.
It's going to be real interesting getting back.
Well, we can all back to that campground and just,
But climbing all that.
I mean,
Oh,
so she just walked this and it's up to here.
here you can see where I was.
And there's trees coming down.
Yep.
And it's very swift. We have to just cross over there to get to the schoolhouse, but we are not going to do that because we do not want to risk vehicles because it will float. And it would be attached. We were like, maybe we could attach. Nope, that would then just float and pull. So we are going to have to go back the way we came. So we're going to have to do some winching probably up that hill. Just be prepared for that. This was not our plan. The rain has not been the greatest, but
But even with the
Yep.
amount of rain we've had, we were definitely not expecting this.
nope. Nope.
You saw our water crossings.
We would have even
water
we
crossings
thought this was
yesterday.
doable. But this is moving a lot faster than what we anticipated for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so I did a quick sweatshirt change.
My grandchildren.
We are going to be going back the way we came. And so that's going to require us being out in the rain and winching more. So I was freezing because it is, what, 42 degrees and pouring down rain. So I am chilled to the bone and I can't stand it. If y'all know me, I hate the cold. I hate being cold. This is not what we were supposed to do, but this is what we have to do. This is the judgment that we are making because it is moving really fast and it is just rising because the rain is not stopping. And so this is very powerful water. And I can't even see the stump that was out there anymore. So we are all relocating.
Carrie, just so you know, I don't have a lot of flex or a locker, so if I have to gouge on it, I might sling a rock, so you might not want to follow too terribly close.
Copy that.
Yeah, if nobody could be following anybody close, that would be great. I am clear of the ledge up that hill climb. I'm gonna go a little ways and come back, Travis, so give me just 1 second. I just want to be able to spot people.
Diane, try to ride the wall a little bit like I just did on my driver right here.
Okay, ladies, I just want to say that was incredible coming up that hill climb. I, without a shadow of a doubt, don't think that some of you guys would have been comfortable with that on Thursday or Friday or Saturday, maybe Saturday, because y'all were getting a little bit better, but for sure today I can definitely tell your confidence level, and that is absolutely my favorite thing.
It might be a little silly, but I think I'm the youngest of the group, so it's really cool to see you guys doing this twice my age. Just like a long life ahead of me. Fun.
All right, ladies. First Women's Wheeling Weekend with GoXplorUSA. What do y'all think? Yeah. It has been incredible.
It has
Hasn't it been so much fun?
I loved it so much.
Yeah. I was like, we did pretty good too. But anyways, we have had a blast with these ladies, overcoming so many things like confidence, not even just in your rig, just in yourself, and it has been incredible.
It really has.
Yes.
It's been so awesome to see all this growth.
Yeah. So we are trying to hit a goal, of course, with Ozark Overland Adventures to hit 100,000 by January. So if you could please like and subscribe and to follow this. And if you want to get any of our merch, you can go to shopoverlandapparel.com. You can get merch for Discover 4x4 Adventures there. You can get merch with Moto Adrenaline Tours there. You can get merch with GoXplorUSA. Yeah. And if
Ladies merch coming soon.
whoa! Yes. And so be sure also, if you want to find the routes that we took on this trip, you can check out our Patreon too. We just love all of those people, and they are going to be going with us to Maris in December, so we can't wait. So anyways, let's have another Women's Willing Weekend.
Yay!